Welcome to DCL Radio. From today onwards, I started a new show called DCL Stars, and I started with my DCL, my own teammates, GLCC Stars. So the idea behind this one is getting to know, understanding their interest outside the cricket. Okay, normally we always meet in the cricket field and we play, we have fun, and we know a lot about each other. But a lot of others outside GLCC, they don't know much about our own players, their interests. So just thought of, for a time pass, I thought of starting this series. If everything goes well, I will definitely do this with other teams also. Okay, today I have two good friends of mine with me, and and I'll introduce them to you guys, and I also going to talk to them about their simple interests. Simple interest means like favorite movie, favorite star, like that, and if anything special, if they want to share, they can share. And also a little bit, just for entertainment, I'll play some music for them. They have to identify the song, and if they can sing, that's well and good too. So welcome to the show, Akash Patel and Zubair Rajguru. Akash.
Thank you for inviting us, Jagan.
And thank you, Jagan Bhai.
Okay, so let me start straight away with see, this is how we'll go it. I'll start with Akash and the same question, Zubair. Okay, that's how we'll go it, so that our listeners can clearly get who is talking and who's sharing their interests. Okay, and I'll take a name so that they'll understand very easily. Before we start, it's a common question, and now because of the lockdown, coronavirus, everybody's at home, and actually today is 70 plus degrees. We should be playing cricket outside, practicing somewhere on the fields, but we are sitting inside. And so it's been almost 2 months like this. How are you guys spending your time at home? Okay, what is the time pass, biggest time pass for you at home? I'll start with Akash. Akash, your thoughts on that?
अभी पहले तो बहुत ड्राइविंग में बिजी रहते थे, लड़की को छोड़ के डे केयर में, फिर जॉब पे। पर अभी अभी घर पे तो वैसे वीकडेज में तो बिजी रहते हैं काम पर, काम रहता है। सो बीवी और हम दोनों लाइक कोऑर्डिनेट करते हैं किसी और की मीटिंग और मेरी। सो दिन वीकडेज तो टाइम चला जाता है, खाना बनाते हैं, कोई नए नए एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं। मैं कुछ नहीं बनाता, मैं तो मेरी बीवी बनाती है, पर खाने में कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट करते रहते हैं। और
लड़की बोल दिया तू।
क्या?
You said you don't cook.
Yeah, I don't. बीवी करती रहती है, मैं खाता रहता हूँ। और खाना ऐसे नहीं, एक टाइम नहीं खाते थे, राइट? बस जब जॉब चालू होती है सलाद में चल जाता था। अभी तो 2-3 टाइम सब फूल पका के खाते हैं। सो बहुत और अच्छा खाते हैं, शांति से खाते हैं। सो और वर्कआउट करने का कुछ टाइम होता नहीं है, पर वीकेंड में टाइम मिलता है। वीकेंड में जब वेदर अच्छा होता है तो बाहर निकलते हैं, यहाँ पे घूमते रहते हैं, लाइक बेयर लेके। बाकी तो टीवी तो है ही।
Okay, so are you keeping yourself fit just in case?
No.
if cricket starts tomorrow, what are you going to do? So
I think first week I'll go get injured. If cricket starts tomorrow, if I play a game, I think the last winter game, like the last winter game I played, I was the worst shape, and I think I continued on top of that because मैं एक रन भाग रहा था और पीछे सब लोग हंसा। मैंने पहले एक सिंगल भागा, बाउंड्री भी गया, फिर भी मैं खत्म नहीं कर पाया। खत्म करके मैं वहां लाइक 10 फुट दूर चला गया। इतना मैं तेज भागा और मैं कहा क्या हो रहा है ये। और पीछे से हंस रहे थे, यार नंबर समीर भाई ने ऐसा मुंह लाया।
Fun. Okay, let's go to Zubair.
Hey, so basically we are a family of 5, so 3 kids and us. So we are busy all the time as before too. You know, kids at home, they keep us busy. But still, like as Akash said, food is one of the best entertainment during this lockdown time. You know, you try different things, experiment. But now we follow Ramadan. Ramadan started, so you know, fasting is going on, and again, the food is more entertaining here. So you know, मैं भी बनाता हूँ, और
ओके तो आप बना
my wife Nazia also does that. Then we go out with kids, do a bike ride, yeah, जो भी walk पे. Pretty much movies were there before we did a lot of TV time. Online school is going on. Old cricket matches sometime.
या वो तो है
And
मैं
WhatsApp is there, you know, like to take all of your most of the time. But yeah, it is one kind of a blessing as well as you know, a tough, difficult time during this time. What is happening? So it is good, but time is passing on, and you know, we are there. So time बीत रहा है, पर अच्छे से बीत रहा है, you know, and the goal is to keep healthy.
Yeah. Hey, Akash, तेरा favorite food क्या है रे?
पानी पूरी
पानी पूरी. तू तो vegetarian है. घर में पानी पूरी खा रहा है?
यहाँ घर में हम पकाते हैं. घर में भी मैं और बीवी दोनों मिलके बना देते हैं पूरी.
Oh वाह, पूरी बनाते हैं तुम लोग?
पूरी भी घर पे बनाते हैं, सब कुछ बना देते हैं घर पे, तो हो जाता है.
We tried, my wife tried, तो वो नरम बन गया ऐसा, पचका एकदम
नहीं, she made like you know, we've been doing this for last 2-3 years, so अब तो बहुत प्रैक्टिस हो गई है.
Very good.
तो अब तो ऐसा हर बार अच्छी बनती है, ऐसा नहीं है कोई.
हाँ, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम 1000 पूरी से लेके आना, अपन GLCC का ये करेंगे, गेट टुगेदर.
ना बे, वही तो है, 1000 पूरी बनाने के लिए 5 घंटे लग जाएंगे.
एक दिन नहीं, 2 दिन में बना ले.
अब वो मूड ऐसा, इसमें मूड होता है मेरा. जब भी मैं मुझे काम करने की इच्छा होती है तभी मैं किचन में जाता हूँ. वो मुझे मूड बनाना पड़ता है. 2-3 दिन बाहर खाना पड़ता है पहले. 2-3 दिन पहले बाहर खाना पड़ता है. अब टाइम है तब, पर करेंगे एक बार.
Okay, that's good. जुबैर,
मैं समीश को बोल दूंगा कि समीश आकाश को बोल के यार 1000 पूरी बनाने.
ओपनिंग बैट
करेंगे एक बार करेंगे, एक बार श्योर.
जो
पर वो नहीं हो तो बाहर से लेके आएंगे, पर करेंगे.
जुबैर, तेरा फेवरेट फूड क्या है रे?
मेरा तो बहुत फेवरेट है, बट so basically I am from Maharashtra, Konkan. So in non-veg I like हमारा उधर एक authentic dish है जैसा मटन सुक्का रहता है, मटन सुक्का. It's with coconut gravy, like Madras mutton, you know, तू खाया होगा. And
कोकोनट तो केरला में होते हैं, नॉट मद्रास.
अच्छा, मगर वो chettinad, then like something like chettinad. Yeah. So it's spicy, but उसके अंदर कोकोनट होता है. And जैसा एक चावल का ये रहता है, you know, अपम जैसा वो जाड़ा रोटी रहता है चावल का. Yeah, that is one of the favorite. और वेज में तो जैसा I love lot of things, but you know, काली दाल, मेथी is my favorite.
Fantastic. Okay, आकाश, इंडिया में कहाँ से है रे तू?
मैं इंडिया में मैं ग्रो अप हुआ हूँ. लाइक मेरा जब से मुझे समझ आई तब से मैं बड़ौदा से हूँ. बड़ौदा में बड़ा हुआ हूँ. फिर अभी पेरेंट्स गांधीनगर में रहते हैं, तो अभी मैं गांधीनगर से हूँ.
ओके, जुबैर.
आई एम फ्रॉम मुंबई, बट हम लोग बेसिकली महाराष्ट्र, हमारा नेटिव है सावंतवाड़ी, विच इज इन कोकन. You know, so but we are born and brought up in Mumbai, but native is still Maharashtra, Konkan, Sawantwadi.
Okay, थोड़ा अब बेटरॉफ को भी इंट्रोड्यूस कर देंगे. Okay, आकाश, tell about your wife.
Oh, my wife's name is Urvi Patel, Urvi Dave, but now I made her change her name to Urvi Patel. We were together since high school. and then I came here. She's there. She was homeopathic doctor there, but I made her change to IT after she came here. Now she works in IT.
Hmm.
And yeah, but she's also from Gandhinagar, and she was also same time when I was in Baroda. She was there, and we met and kind of and got married when like everything looked right around us. Parents were happy where we were at the like career wise, and then we told them. I told my parents way before, but she didn't tell her parents, so
Cool. So it's
she
a
was
love marriage.
waiting. Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Okay. Zubair, तेरा क्या है रे?
My wife's name is Nazia, and so we are both from Bombay, and we got married in 2010. Again, like I knew her, we knew her family before, but it was an arranged marriage, and we have 3 kids. Uh, it's been pretty good times so far. She came here, and I was traveling. I was in Michigan, New York, Texas, Chicago, everywhere. So we travel a lot everywhere. So her favorite thing is cooking, and that helps most of the things, you know.
Yeah.
And
That makes you happy, right?
yeah. Yeah, but like she enjoys hosting people as well. She's a housewife. She doesn't work, but
Okay.
वही अभी तो बच्चे छोटे हैं पर आगे she might be able to work. She was working in a bank in India.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty much, you know.
Let me quickly jump into something, something else. Now let's get into movies. Okay. तेरा आकाश, तेरा favorite movie क्या है रे?
And like सबसे फेवरेट मेरा like मूवी गंगा जल. Like किसी genre में नहीं जाए तो फिर गंगा जल.
Okay, cool. Zubair.
मेरा बहुत है यार. यार रेडियो शो
बहुत है.
मैं बोलना चालू करूँ पर फिर भी
Top में
you
एक
know.
होता सब.
So there are few. So let me think. One is so all-time favorite. Like when I open TV, Reddy, Salman Khan का एक Reddy movie है.
हाँ यार रेडी वो भी अच्छा है.
You can watch anytime. So that is one of my favorite. फिर एक गोविंदा का एक मूवी था. I still like whenever I watch. It's called आँखियों से गोली मारे.
क्यों से
Yeah.
Okay.
आँखियों से गोली मारे. It's बहुत funny movie है. और इंग्लिश में एक मूवी है क्या नाम है वो विल स्मिथ का परस्यूट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. That is one of the very touching movie and well acted and best movie for me. This और दूसरी Italian Job is pretty good.
Hey, ऐसा नहीं एक ही.
एक बोल दिया मैंने अलग अलग.
अब आकाश फेवरेट स्टार कौन है रे? मूवी स्टार हीरो.
2-3 बोल रहे.
वैसे 2-3 बोलूं ऐसा करूं यार. वैसे इंडिया आया लगे बॉलीवुड में पहले शाहरुख खान था पर अभी लास्ट के 5 मूवीज में से पसंद नहीं आया तो अभी चेंज करना पड़ेगा. तो अभी लाइक राजनीति के बाद रणबीर कपूर पसंद है. और हॉलीवुड में कौन ऐसे हॉलीवुड में तो सारे चेंजिंग इतने रहते हैं ना पर फिर भी एक्टिंग के लिए लियोनार्डो कैप्रियो अच्छा लगता है.
गुड. ओके जुबैर.
My all-time favorite is Amitabh, Salman Khan, and the old favorites में is the Devanand evergreen.
How old are you रे? देवानंद का बारे में
देवानंद का
मेरे भी ओल्ड में मेरा भी राजेंद्र कुमार मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
राजेंद्र कुमार रोता था रे. हर एक मूवी में रोता था वो.
पर उसके देखो संगम देखो आप. फिर एक संगम मूवी है राज कपूर के साथ. फिर मैं उसके गीत बहुत सुनता रहता हूँ यार. साधना और उसका एक मूवी आया है पास साथ में. वो उसके गीत में कौन है जो सपनों में आया. I don't know, forget the या वो उसके so राजेंद्र कुमार भी पसंद है, उसके बहुत अच्छे मूवी है, क्योंकि उस पसंद इसलिए है क्योंकि उस टाइम जब शूटिंग होता था ना, दैट्स अ रॉ background, right? It's not everything in the studio.
Yeah, true.
It's a raw background in like at that time Kashmir was good, so a lot of those movies kind of shot in Kashmir, and that's why I kind of got into it, and I like those, like, because you get a really raw background there.
Yeah, yeah.
पर
Okay.
तू जगन देवानंद का मूवीज देख रहे, इट्स नॉट इट्स वन ऑफ द एवरग्रीन हीरो.
No, 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 no. See, I watch him. It's not that. बस मजाक कर रहा था मैं see, as such I don't have any favorite or anything like that. I if something is good I'll watch.
But,
Yes.
but yeah, Amitabh is my favorite.
Same here.
Amitabh का कोई-
Hmm. Okay, so let's get into heroine portion. Who is favorite heroine? Akash.
The heroine तो सब फेवरेट होती है.
सब favorite
पर
And
या पहले माधुरी दीक्षित अच्छा है, माधुरी दीक्षित, ऐश्वर्या राय, लाइक, और पुराने में भी जाते तो मुमताज, और अभी नए में दीपिका.
तू तो समी से ज्यादा वर्ष निकला है रे.
कौन है नए में? कौन
क्या?
है न्यू में? कौन
नए
है?
में दीपिका, दीपू.
दीपिका. ओके.
Samish covers everybody from 100 years
From
to
the 1950s. Yeah, okay, so that's like, every generation, right? I think in different generations.
okay. Zubair, Dara.
मेरा माधुरी दीक्षित.
Okay.
You know, she is all time one only favorite. और इंग्लिश में that
इंग्लिश में फिर से भूल गया, बहुत सारी इंग्लिश में भी.
चार्लिस थेरॉन जो है ना, ये इटालियन जॉब में हंसमैन.
Okay. See, right now we will stop this one here and go to music section. I'll play some music. Okay. It's and you guys have to predict the song. Okay. I'll ask
Okay.
you. First song goes to Akash and second song goes to you, like that. Okay. And then the after,
if he doesn't answer, I will tell.
if we can't tell, then I'll ask you. Okay. Don't
Okay.
tell me anything. Okay. Nobody
Yeah.
tell me anything. Okay. I'll ask. I'll play the music. I'll take the name. Who has to answer? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And after right after this, we'll get into some cricket discussion. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The first song of the night. Listen to this.
Yeah. आगे जगन भाई.
Wait.
जगन भाई आ गया, मुझे मालूम है ये सॉन्ग कौन सा है.
Okay, बोलो.
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू,
बोल.
आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू.
Good.
अरे फर्स्ट पीस में नहीं समझ में आया, सेकंड पीस में समझ में आया.
Okay. See, this song for Zubair. Okay.
ओके.
Okay. समझ में आ गया. समझ में आ गया.
Wait.
अबे
अब आया.
सॉन्ग बजा दिया.
अब आ गया.
Okay, बोलो.
तो
Zubair.
मैं शायर तो नहीं. I'm dedicated to Rishi Kapoor.
I'm
ऋषि
unfortunate.
कपूर. Yeah.
We lost a great artist, and
Yeah.
this is a song. Yes.
Yeah.
गाओ यार थोड़ा सा.
खत्म करो जुबेर भाई आप.
हाँ, तू शुरू कर.
शायर
मैं शायर
शायर तो नहीं मगर हंसी जब से देखा
मैंने
तुझको मुझको शायरी
आ
आ गई Yeah.
Cool.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
The next one goes to Akash. Okay.
Okay. मालूम हो गया जगन भाई, आप बहुत बता रहे हो। शंकर महादेव एंड ब्रेथलेस।
Okay. क्या है वो song?
कभी जो मिला जाए, मुझे पूरा लिरिक्स नहीं मालूम।
सारे बोलते हो मैंने बोला था नहीं नहीं करूंगा, मैं तो करूंगा नहीं।
बहकी हुई सी अब सारी हटाए, बहकी हुई सी अब सारी बनाए, रोई हुई सी अब सारी, ऐसा कुछ है, पर लिरिक्स नहीं मालूम। मैं कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है वो नहीं मालूम।
Breathless is the song. Breathless, right?
Yeah, Breathless is a song.
Yeah. Then next one goes to Zubair. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Zubi.
Okay. So this is लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो।
Good.
ये इसके फेवरेट हीरोइन का गाना है, अभी बोला ना,
मुमताज।
Taj. Okay. Good. I like this song. Next one, Akash.
तेरे मेरे कैसा है ये अनजाना, ये हमें भूल गया है, कैसे स्टार्ट होता है?
तेरे मेरे बीच में ऐसा है ये
रिश्ता पुराना।
कमलासन का है, कमलासन का।
ओके।
Kamala Hassan movie. Actually, it is original is in Tamil.
हम तब से बॉलीवुड रीमेक बना रहे हैं।
ये रेडी बोला था ना, ये जुबैर का फेवरेट
मूवी रीमेक किया हिंदी में।
तेलुगु का है वो, तेलुगु में भी रेडी है वो। ओके,
अच्छा, हाँ।
द नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग जुबैर।
ओके।
Okay. Okay, Zubi.
Okay. It is from movie Kabhi Kabhi.
Hmm.
So कभी कभी मेरे दिल
मेरे
में
दिल में
ख्याल
ख्याल
आता है
आता है कि
कि
जैसे
जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है
गया है
मेरे
मेरे
लिए।
लिए
तू अब से पहले
सबसे पहले
सितारों में बस
सितारों
रही थी
रही
कहीं,
गई
तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए कभी कभी।
वो तो सब बोल रहा है. So let's end the session here. And before ending the session, do you guys have any favorite song that you know वो याद आता है, that kind of song? Okay, any favorite?
ऐसा तो
Akash, are you there?
oh yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
पर
Any favorite
ऐसे
song that you feel like you want to listen always? And you know, let's you know.
पता है मैं चलता रहता है पर मेरे वो 90s के पॉप सॉन्ग में काफी चलाता रहता हूँ
क्या है
कोई
वो?
भी आता है वो बाकी ऐसा कोई फेवरेट अभी तक जुबाब ही नहीं आया अभी
Okay, let's go to Zubair then. Zubair, do you have anything that's called?
Yeah, there was this देवानंद का एक सॉन्ग है, you know, what है, आसमां के नीचे आज अपने पीछे सारा जहां लुटा के चलता है। बेसिकली देवानंद के सब गाने अच्छे, but this is one of the favorite.
Okay, good. Pradeep is asking who are all on the radio. Akash Patel and Zubair. Okay, so, Bude, you should read the flyer. Flyer has the names.
yeah
Okay. There are some problems, some issues with the age, and we can't blame Pradeep for that. Okay.
no,
Okay.
you cannot get
Pradeep,
away
are you
with
in
that
lockdown? Pradeep, are you in lockdown or are you open?
he's in lockdown. Yesterday he was cooking chicken for his kid. Okay.
oh I thought him and Hitesh is doing something
They are. I think they are doing. That's a separate one, right? You know, they can't step out, I guess.
oh okay they cannot step out I thought they were kind of trying to acquire some material and
Yes, they were doing something. And when I bring in Pradeep and Hitesh to the show, we will definitely
ask them.
discuss about that. Okay.
yeah
And let's get into the last segment of our session. This talks about your favorite cricketer and why. Okay.
okay
Okay, I'll start with Akash. Akash, who is your favorite cricketer, international cricketer, and why?
हाँ वो तो गॉड ही है गॉड वो तो गॉड है फेवरेट अभी मॉडर्न एरा में स्मिथ एंड कोहली I think yeah, it's obvious, but
No, let's get into a little you know, let's split it here. Who is your favorite batsman?
वो फिर से गॉड but अभी के एरा में like अभी recent times right now like let's see okay let me my favorite batsman in the test cricket for India was Sehwag and for right now it's Kohli and internationally Steven Smith for Australia.
Okay, and favorite bowler?
Bowler McGrath for the older time, but recently Cummins. Cummins is, I think he freaking balls like at the 10th hour of a test match, still balls 150. It's crazy.
Okay. So, any favorite Indian bowler?
Kumble bhai. See, I've been watching. See, I didn't appreciate him when he was playing, but Kumble, when now I'm watching the highlights, and now we're struggling to do that, right? Like struggle in the mains to clear out the tails. I think Kumble used to finish that tails in like 10 overs, right? Like we didn't have any Yorker or nobody can bowl Yorkers, right? Like how Pakistan used to do.
Yeah.
But Kumble bhai used to do our death bowling and everything in the test match. I am watching some highlights right now. 2006-7 series against Africa. 2003-4 series against Australia. 7-8 series against Australia. And I think even in Australia and South Africa, Kumble is our best bowler. That's crazy. That's why Kumble. I think now after looking back, I think we miss that kind of a bowler. If we have Kumble kind of a spinner right now in this team, it would be awesome.
It
It
was
would be a
timing
great
too,
bowling
like
unit.
Azhar used to bring in so much. Whenever he used to bring it at right
Everything.
time.
Yeah, he has to do everything. He has to take wickets. He has to contain runs.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
He's main guy for Azhar, like Aja bhai.
Azhar had three spinners: Venkatavadiraju, Kumble, and Rajesh Chauhan. These three used to.
Oh,
Yeah.
Rajesh Chauhan played that much?
He was very good.
Yeah. कितना मैच जिताया उसने लास्ट का? हराया
या
भी।
उसे मालूम है वो पाकिस्तान में एक छक्का मार गया, राइट? व्हेन यू पाकिस्तान में एक मैच जिताया था छक्का मार गया, वो मालूम है.
Okay. Now let me get to Zubair. Zubair, your favorite cricketer, international batsman and bowler.
International bowler Shane Warne, because the skill he had, and it was so fun to watch him. Like abhi bhi, when we see the old games, it's just awesome to keep watching. Like the competition between Australia, England, या तो Shane Warne and Sachin, that was like magical ekdam. जो it's awesome to watch. It keeps you कि भाई अभी क्या होगा, still watching the highlights too. And again, like in Indian cricket, Sachin is all-time favorite. So all these straight drives.
पहले सचिन से स्टार्ट होता है, फिर पांच स्पेस छोड़ दो और उसके बाद फिर छठे नंबर से चालू करते हैं. पहले 5 स्पेस पे सचिन ही रहता है, सचिन, फिर छठे नंबर पे कोई आएगा.
Zubair, who's your favorite batsman in India?
Currently, I like. There are a lot of favorites, but the patience and stability. I like Rahane with stable. Like when he comes, you can depend on him, and straight bat, straight drive, playing most of the V shots. So I like his batting style too. And all-time favorite was Dhoni. Dhoni to anytime, he कहाँ से भी मैच निकाल लेता होता.
Okay. So now let's.
मेरा सहवाग का I want to add why. Sehwag, because like we say that Ganguly's team, like everybody talk about Ganguly's team and then Kumble and Dravid's team. They were number one, but the impact for test winning what Sehwag had in that lineup nobody had. Like if Sehwag makes run, everything kind of becomes really easy for the down the order. So just for impact, not for amount of runs he scored, I think I like Sehwag for that.
He can scare anybody on his day.
Yeah, and he makes it easy for everyone. And I think if he can score 200 runs in first day, it's just amazing.
Yeah. And now let's get into GLCC. Okay, Akash, who is your favorite player in GLCC?
Player, इसमें भी वैसे ऐसा करना है, पहले 3 छोड़ दो, उसके बाद स्टार्ट करेंगे. पहले प्रदीप भाई, समीर भाई, अशरफ भाई छोड़ दो.
Okay.
उसके बाद में बात करेंगे. वो 3 अलग है. पर उसमें भी बैटिंग के दौर पे अशरफ भाई, I think not in any entire league, I think Ashraf Bhai is technically best batsman in BCL. And he has a calm nature for him, for chasing. Anytime he calculates everything in his mind. He doesn't get scared for anybody. But favorite player apart from those three, that Akash Dhawani I like. He's
Who-
my favorite
सुन के
player
खुश
apart from those three.
सुन के खुश होगा दावानी तो. Hey, Zubair, who's your favorite player in GLCC?
I'll say Samish.
हम्म.
The thing is,
साले तू तो इम्प्रेस करने की बात कर रहा है तू. Next.
अरे मेरे को ओपन करना है रे.
Yeah.
नहीं, but still, like, we always like means I don't know, means for my side, when I see, I was not playing for a few years, but when I still see, he takes more responsibility के ज़्यादा जिम्मेदारी ले लेता है अपने सर पे और he has more, he can, but he tries to give fair chance to everybody and he lets पीछे करके ना तो I feel like he's the best and skillfully too and manageability भी too, like he manage people wise as well as
best captain in this year.
Skill wise, yeah. So he's the best player with right choice of words for right people. You'll get it. And so with among our team or towards other teams too, he's one of the best player from GLCC.
I think he is a smart when it comes to captaining.
क्या ब्रेक हो रहा है जगन आवाज?
मेरा ब्रेक हो रहा है?
अभी तू बोल रहा था?
नहीं मेरा हो रहा था.
Oh, okay. Sir, okay.
सुन रही थी.
Aki, you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Just hold on a second.
Okay, I think he is changing.
Okay.
Zubair,
Yeah.
before Aki comes back, what is your favorite moment in GLCC?
So I'll tell you, I came here, so that was my second season, and we were playing against Juggernauts, final.
Yeah.
And this guy, Jeet bhai hamara khel raha tha.
Jeet,
They needed only one run.
No. This is the right time to give it back to Jeet. Though
I still remember. So I will never forget that moment, like that was like, I can still imagine in front of my eyes because मैं पीछे ही खड़ा था, like and so what happened, like Srini came in and like he bowled the first ball, 2 wicket था या 3 wicket था, तो एक ओवर उसने Srini took the ball, he kissed the ball and like थोड़ा फूक मारता था वो बॉल पे करके, तो जो आया फर्स्ट विकेट गया, सेकंड विकेट गया, जीत came to batting. Jeet was like literally थोड़ा ऐसा, he was really tensed and the ball he bowled, like जो स्टम्प उखाड़ा है, oh my god, that was the best moment, I'll say अभी तक in my cricket cricket times, अभी तक में सब में best moment. I can still live that moment. I can still imagine and I can feel that.
Oh, okay. See, the one which I'm talking is the season that you played. You played as GLCC opener. You had what, 20 average?
So I played one of the best inning against Brownstown. हम लोग जीता था तभी. So that was one of my best remember. And I used to open with Manish.
Yeah.
तो मनीष उधर से छक्का मारता था धपाटप करके और मैं यहाँ से उसको दो एक लेके.
That season I remember your average was close to 20 and only in the finals वो जीत बैट पैड में आउट दे दिया LBW.
Yeah.
जीत सुन रहा होगा, मैं बहुत बार बोल
अगर जीत को बहुत रेफर करे, जीत डोंट माइंड ब्रदर.
Okay. Now, Aki.
मेरी तो हिस्ट्री इतनी पर पिछले 5-6 साल से तो मैं खेल ही रहा हूँ. 5-6 साल हो गए.
Let me ask you this one. What is your favorite moment in GLCC?
I think the one when we won जब वैभव खेल रहा था और जब पीछे पीछे बैठे बैठे हम कमेंट्री कर रहे थे. That was the time. I think couple others. I think not in DCL, but हम नाइट टूर्नामेंट में जब हरदीप काम हमारे साथ खेला था, वो 5 छक्के मार के गया था.
Yeah, I remember that.
या
Canton में.
वो कैंटन में वो भी मजा आ गया था. फिर आई थिंक
Think about your moment, not others.
माय मोमेंट उसी सेमीफाइनल में मैंने जिताया था. तो सेमीफाइनल में कुछ आई थिंक अच्छे जा रहे थे. आई थिंक वी वर प्लेइंग अगेंस्ट फाल्कन्स. अच्छे जा रहे थे. अच्छा, मैं और अजीत भाई अच्छा खेल रहे थे. नहीं, आई थिंक अजीत भाई और ऊपर में अशरफ भाई शायद खेल गए थे. फिर बट बाद में मैं और हरदीप आई थिंक आके खड़े रह गए और कुछ कितने चाहिए थे, 6 बॉल में 9 चाहिए हो गए. 1-2 बॉल गए और कोई किसी ने मुझे फुल टॉस डाला, मैंने छक्का मारा. तब वो मेरे लिए अच्छा था. तो मेरे लिए वो मोमेंट अच्छा है. फिर बाद में वो हारी हुई गेम में आपने ने स्टार्ट ऐसा दिया था, मैं और रौनक ने, लाइक क्वार्टर फाइनल. वो भी मजा आया था खेलने में. थोड़ी 5 और बट वी गॉट कैरिड अवे and didn't finish well and we lost the game.
So for me, the best moment I have seen of you is the semi-finals in 2016 against Falcons. You know, entire team contributed, but your contribution was very key to the win at that time. And if you remember, Ajit was injured at that time.
Yeah,
it was a good game. You know, everybody contributed, but you know, you were playing at the crucial moment of the game. Okay.
Yeah. I think I was playing last, so yeah, that was also a little inning, but it was good inning.
Your game from that particular one. Okay, and so now let's get into DCL. Oh no, who is your favorite?
Jagan, one more thing. My other favorite on our team is Ajit Bhai. I just love to talk with him in Hindi.
Yeah.
And he talks in English.
Yeah, I forgot about like, I just put 3, but I think like Ashraf Bhai, Pradeep Bhai, Ajit Bhai, and
Ajit is my his batting style is awesome too. Like I just love to see him when he plays with that vigor. And he's just awesome. Like it's great, to talk and
he's great.
Chat and play everything. I like.
और वो गरम हो जाते हैं तो भी अच्छा है. वो जो
yeah, वही गुस्सा भी आता है. Like I just love him.
वो भी मजा आता है.
See, Ajit's 2016 finals and semi-finals were great. Okay, he played literally on single leg.
Yeah.
And he won us with just one shot. Clearing that offside.
Offside, yeah. Two. I was scoring like every ball 2. 10 runs in 1 over.
Yeah.
Offside.
Now let's get into our last segment. Last segment is your favorite player outside of GLCC in TCL. Okay. Let's start with, you can pick bowler as well as batsman. You can say one batsman, one bowler. Akash.
बैट्समैन तो ज्यादा खेलता नहीं है, पर अर्जुन इज लाइक डिपेंडेबल इन लाइक एनी crucial game, any situations. Like he's there for them. Like entire team होती है हर एक नेम की, पर जब रन बनाने की बारी आती है in a crucial game, he's the only one who's scoring. पर लास्ट कपल ईयर से चेंज हो गया, पर ये पहले की बात है. जब से हमने 1-2-1-8 इंट्रोड्यूस किया तब तो सब मारने लगे, पर ये 1-2-1-7 में he was the only one. और बॉलर दीपक, राइट, ऑल टाइम दीपक, अपना नलीन. But Nalin was still little wayward compared to Deepak. Deepak is like dead on, right? Yeah. If you give him a little bit of sniff, he'll keep bowling the same ball, and it can't finish. Like you can be dependable on that.
True. Okay. Now, Zubair.
Yeah. So outside DCL, matlab, who play leather ball cricket is sort of.
अपना DCL में.
अपना DCL में I like batting wise, you know. I don't remember latest players अभी के, but वो
अभी निकल
हमारे ब्लू क्रॉस में एक बंदा है, वो I don't know what team he plays, Bellaconda या क्या, forgot his last name, but he works for Blue Cross. तो मैं I saw his batting, is very good straight bat.
सतीश बेलमकोंडा.
Yeah, he's
He's
nice bat. Yeah,
captain.
yeah, okay. And bowling wise, so I'll go with वो Brownstown वाला बंदा
मुजाहिद
हाँ Brownstown वाला
मुजाहिद
वो जो
मुजाहिद भाई.
मुजाहिद भाई. Okay.
yeah Mujahid bhai was awesome, like he still has the
Yeah, he
energy.
still freaking bowls. He still bowls.
Loves
like
it,
it. Yeah.
उनकी बॉल और उनकी बातें बहुत जबरदस्त होती है.
He's nice guy. Okay. And
बॉलिंग में समीश भाई भी.
समीश भाई तो GLCC का होगा. आउटसाइड GLCC का
अभी-
बात.
अरे आउटसाइड जीएससी की बात की रहेगा आपने.
Yeah.
Okay.
कैप्टन को इम्प्रेस करने में लगा हुआ है सब लोग.
अरे नहीं रे,
समीश
मैं
भाई
तो
है
नहीं
यार,
किया.
उसका मुझे भी ऐसा करना नहीं है.
I'm just kidding. Okay, with that we have completed the entire session, and I thought 45 minutes. We are a little over 1 minute over 45 minutes.
That's good.
With your last words, we will close the show. Okay, I'll start with Akash. Akash.
कुछ नहीं, अच्छा लगा. Thanks for inviting जगन भाई. I think keep it going. We want to hear from some other folks too. मजा आ गया 45 minutes. But कभी अभी ऐसा अच्छा दिन रखो ना तो 9 बजे का कर दो. कुछ नहीं.
You can suggest. I was talking to Pradeep. He wants me to keep this one on Sunday. Afternoon.
Yeah, either Sunday. दिन में मत रखो यार, दिन में तो अच्छा दिन होता है. और वैसे कुछ नहीं, फोन तो सबके पास है, कभी कहाँ पे भी हो कर सकते हैं वो लोग. So it's all right.
So, what do you suggest? Sunday, what time?
मेरे लिए तो मैं तो रात का टाइम ही बोल रहा था. Like how you do it on like DCL night, your Thursday night. So we can do this one on Friday night.
Right. Friday.
डिनर के बाद सब बैठे होते हैं तो then we can listen to it.
Okay, so let's do it on Friday night then. Okay, I'll change the timing to Friday night, 9 to 10. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Zubair.
Yeah, it's a good time. Thank you for inviting Jagan. This is a good effort, in during this time, what you're doing with our team as well as with other teams, trying to get together and keep in touch with each other. So basically, if you reach one team, so you get the feel of the whole team, what they are doing, how they are doing, and it is a good time to reach all our community, what you're doing. And this is a time to support each other. So this is one of the best way you can do what we can do.
Yep. Let's hope everybody is doing good. And with that, we will close tonight's show here. And next week, Friday evening, for our guests, we'll be doing this show Friday evening, 9 o'clock. Okay. Thank you. Good night, all.